This bike, which I bought from auction, I thought was a very good buy. But now that I've had a chance to really look at it, I'm starting to think that this might be my biggest mistake yet. The head cover is held on by 3 screws, but this one and this one is broken off. There's a crack there and there. So I phoned BMW, and what BMW explained to me was quite alarming. So basically this metal part, camshaft bearing cap, and this cylinder head, this is all one machined part. And if you look at the bottom of this, there's 2 numbers, and those 2 numbers must match. If you don't have matching parts, that can mess up your engine completely. So you have to replace everything from there moving forward. But now when you do that, then you have to release this chain, and you have to take out the cam holders and all the valves and everything that's in here. So it makes the bike financially uneconomic to fix, which is why it's then sold as an auction bike. But the thing is, the bike is not broken. I mean, the rest of the bike is still fine. I don't have the courage to work on that engine myself yet, but I do have a tool, and in this box I do have a set of new indicators which I can fit on the bike, because the back indicator on the right hand side is broken, and then on the front, I think the front ones is not broken, they are just loose, so I can fix the indicator so long. And then I've put the battery on charge, so we can put the battery on and see if the computer will start up. Even a small one at this stage, I think, can help to build some courage to tackle that engine. Okay, so unfortunately this aftermarket indicator lights does not fit. So what I'll have to do is just open this hole a little bit. I think it will still be strong. I would rather that this thing break than the actual BMW part, which is this one. So I think this is a good fix. Perfect. Now I can just put this wire in here, just like that. Okay, so now the battery is fitted. We're gonna see what happens if we turn on the ignition. I can't start the bike obviously because of the engine that's still open, but let's see what happens. Hey, there's power. Put it on bright. Hey, the brights work. Hazard lights. Hey, the indicators work. These also work. Set up auto. 16,000 Ks. Okay, so what started out as a very big question mark, it now looks like this may be one of my best out of the 3 because of that low kilos. Now, if that is not a very good indicator that you should subscribe, then I don't know. Like a drug that I just can't deny.